Hi friends, today I am going to explain some special problems in integration. So in the first one, you have to learn some formulas based on this. So in the first one, integration of root a square plus x square into dx is equal to x by 2 into root a square plus x square plus a square by 2 into sine h inverse of x by a plus c. Second one, integration of root a square minus x square into dx is equal to x by 2 into root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a plus c. Third one, integration of root x square minus a square into dx is equal to x by 2 into root x square minus a square minus a square by 2 into cos h inverse of x by a plus c. By observe clearly in first and second one, the terms are same here, a square x square, a square x square. But here in first one, between the sign is plus, in second one, between the sign is minus. When it is having plus here, in observe here in RHS, it becomes sin h inverse. When it is having negative sign minus, it becomes sin inverse. Plus becomes sin inverse, minus when it becomes sin inverse. Right? So, next in third one, it is root x square minus a square. Previous these two are starting with constant a square, here it is starting with x square. When it is starting with x square, here the sign is becomes minus. When both are starting with a square, here sign becomes positive only. Here when it is starting with x square, here sign becomes negative. You remember this one, and it becomes cos h inverse of x by a plus c. Now let we do some problems based on this. First one, integration of root 2 square plus x square into dx. Clearly it is in which form? It is in the form of first one, root a square plus x square, right? So applying this formula now, x by 2, here x refers x only, so x by 2 into root a square plus x square, here a square means 2 square, so 2 square plus x square plus a square by 2, a square, here a square means 2 square, so 2 square by 2 into sin h inverse of x by a, so x by a means here 2 plus c. Now simplify this one, x by 2 into root 4 plus x square plus 2 square 4 by 2 is how much? 2 into sin h inverse of x by a plus c. So this is some simple problem. It is directly in the form. So when it is not in the form, how can we do? So let I am taking one typical problem. Integration of root x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Actually it is a quadratic expression. It is not in the form. So first you have to convert in that form. So for that, what I am doing here, I am taking the quadratic expression, I am trying to convert them into complete square form. So what is a complete square form? So before that you have to remember here the given expression is a quadratic expression, monic quadratic expression. Why I am saying monic means here highest degree is x square. What is quotient? Nothing means 1. Here I am keeping for your understanding, I am writing here 1. So when the highest degree quotient is 1, such a type of expressions are called monic expressions. So now I am converting this one into quadratic expression form. You learned in your previous classes. So here a square, first what I am writing a square, here a refers x, so first write x. Next observe the sign between the linear term and quadratic term. This is a quadratic and this is a linear term. What is the sign between them? Plus. So you have to keep here plus. After that, write the half of the quotient of the linear term. So x quotient is 1. It's a half. What I'm saying, right? It's a half. So 1 half is 1 by 2. So after that, keep brackets and put square, whole square. Minus, write its square. 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. Plus, write the remaining constant 1. Now simplify this one. X plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 ones are 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 by 4. So it is already in square form. So write this result also in square form. So what is the square of 3 by 4? Is root 3 by 2 whole square. Now write this result in the square root. Here I am applying now. Integration of root x square plus x plus 1 is nothing but x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. I am writing this result here now. X plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Now it is in the form of root a square plus x square. Root a square plus x square. Root a square plus x square nothing but x by 2 into a square root a square plus x square plus a square by 2 into sin h inverse of x by a. So I am writing this result in the form. So it becomes In the form writing x plus 1 by 2 by 2 into here x by 2, x by 2, x, here x refers x plus 1 by 2. So I'm writing x plus 1 by 2 by 2 into root over a square plus x square. Here a square plus x square means x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square plus a square by 2, a square by 2, here a square means root 3 by 2 whole square by 2 into sin h inverse of x by a, sin h inverse of x by a. So sin h inverse of x, here x means x plus 1 by 2 by a means root 3 by 2. So simulation is over plus c. Now write result. Here I am simplifying numerator 2 into x, 2x plus 1 by 2 2s are 4 into root over, write this result as it is, x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square plus, I am opening the square here, root 3 square is 3, here 2 square 4, 4 2s are 8 into sin h inverse of, simplify the bracket, 2 into x, 2x plus 1, here I am cancelling denominator to denominator, its denominator is 2, its denominator is also 2, so 2 is cancelled. Now write the remaining root 3, so it becomes 2x plus 1 by root 3 plus c. Clear? Right. Integration of root 2x square minus 3x minus 4 into dx. So here is also a quadratic expression. So first we have to convert them into quadratic expression form. So for this I am converting into quadratic expression form. Right. So I'm taking the quadratic equation 2x square minus 3x minus 4. So it is not a monic equation. What is a monic? Monic means highest degree quotient must be 1, but your x square quotient is 2. So for converting into monic, I am taking 2 common from the expression. So by taking 2 common, it becomes x square minus 3 by 2 into x minus 4 by 2. So 2 into x square minus 3 by 2 into x minus here 4 by 2, 4 by 2 nothing but 2. Now writing in complete square form. 2 into a square, here a means x. Now observe the sign between the terms, minus, so you have to keep minus here. Now take the half of the quotient of x. Here x quotient is 3 by 2, it's half. Half means 3 by 2 by 2. 3 by 2 by 2 is how much? 3 by 4. 3 by 4, now keep the brackets, whole square. So whole square minus, here you have to keep always minus only. Now write this result, write it's the square value. 3 by 4 whole square, 3 by 4 whole square is 9 by 16. Now write the remaining constant minus 2 as it is here. Now simplify, 2 into x minus 3 by 4 whole square minus 16 2s are 32, 32 minus 32 minus 9 minus 41 by 16. Now write this result in square form, x minus 3 by 4 whole square minus 41 by 16 square, that is root 41 by 16 whole square. Right, now write this result in the problem. So here it becomes integration of root 2x square minus 3x minus 4 is nothing but 2 into x minus 3 by 4 whole square minus root 41 by 16 whole square. I am writing the result in the problem. So from this I am taking root 2 common. So root 2 by root 2 into integration of root over x minus 3 by 4 whole square minus root 41 by 16 whole square into dx. Now it is in which form? Now it is in the formula form. Now treat this as x square minus a square. So it is in the form of integration of root x square minus a square into dx. So what is the result? X by 2 into root x square minus a square minus a square by 2 into cos h inverse of x by a plus c. Now write the result in the formula. So root 2 into, open the bracket, what is the first here? X by 2, x, here x means x minus 3 by 4. So I am writing x minus 3 by 4 by 2 into root over x square minus a square, x square minus a square, this one. So write this one as it is, minus a square, here a square means root 41 by 16 whole square by 2 into cos h inverse of x by a, x means x minus 3 by 4 by a means root 41 by 16 plus c. So next by simulation what it becomes? Root 2 into 4 into x 4x minus 3 by 4 2s are 8 into root over this result as it is minus, I am opening the square, a square root cancel, 41 by 16, 16 2s are 32 into cos h inverse of 4 into x 4x minus 3 by, here 4 in denominator also, in denominator what is denominator? Root 41 by 16. So here 16 also having root, so root 16 is how much? 4. So 4 is cancelled, so remaining root 41. So 4x minus 3 by root 41 plus c. So like this you have to simplify. Right. Next, I'm taking one more problem now here. Integration of root 3 minus 2x minus x square. Right. So your given quadratic expression is 3 minus 2x minus x square. Actually it is not in the form. Every quadratic expression starting with x square. So I'm writing in the form in order minus x square minus 2x, here 3 is nothing but plus 3. Right. Now from this I am taking minus common because it is not a monic. Monic means highest quotient is 1, but here quotient is minus 1. So for that I am taking minus common. By taking minus common it becomes x square plus 2x minus 3. Now taking this quadratic expression and converting into complete square form. So x square plus 2x plus 3. So it is already in monic. So now what is a square? Here a means x. So write x. Observe the sign between the two terms, quadratic and linear term is plus. So put plus here. Now observe the quotient of x. X quotient is 2. Take its half. So 2 half is 1. So write 1. Keep brackets and whole square. Minus. Here you have to always keep minus only. Now write the square of 1. Square of 1 is only 1 only. Minus 3. So x plus 1 whole square. Minus 1 minus 3 is how much? Minus 4. Now write its square value. Minus 4 square is 2 square. Now write this result in the problem. Here I am writing now. So what it becomes? Integration of root over minus of, now this result is x plus 1 whole square minus 2 square. I am writing the result as it is here. Right. Now multiply the sign inside. So minus into minus plus 2 square. Minus into plus minus x plus 1 whole square. Now it is in the form. Which form observe? Which form it is? Integration of root over a square minus x square form. So here is the result. Integration of root a square minus x square is nothing but x by 2 into root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a plus c. So applying the form now. X by 2. X by 2. X by 2, here x means x plus 1 by 2, x plus 1 by 2 into root over a square minus x square. A square minus x square means 2 square minus x plus 1 whole square plus a square by 2. A square, here a square means 2 square. 2 square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a. Sine inverse of x by a plus c. Sine inverse of x by a. X means here x plus 1 by a. A means 2 plus c. By simulation it becomes x plus 1 by 2 into root over 2 square minus x plus 1 whole square plus 2 into sine inverse of x plus 1 by 2 plus c. I think you are all understood these problems. So let's try these problems. Integration of root x square minus x plus 1 into dx. Integration of root 2x square plus 3x plus 4 into dx. So once watch the video 2 to 3 times. After understanding, you try to solve these two problems. Right? Okay, thank you.